Hi, welcome to my channel. This digital artwork is inspired by the story by women artists whose work was once credited to a man, replacing her name and erasing her authorship. That story really stayed with me, and it became the starting point for this piece. I created this female cartoon portrait entirely through coding using p5.js. So everything you see, the shapes, the lines, the colors, it's generated through programming. Then I connected to real-time face tracking using ML5.js FaceMesh. The webcam detects your face, and the portrait moves with you, following the center of your face in real time. The female figure only appears and moves when a face is present, almost like authorship returning through recognition. For me, this work is about using code to resist erasure and bringing a silenced identity back into view. Thank you for watching.